The SoundPEATS Air3 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to BrianUnboxed. These are the SoundPEATS Air3 Pro true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, small, medium, large ear tips, and the USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3046 chipset, AAC, SPC, aptX adaptive codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Game mode latency, ANC and transparency, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of MContent? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. The case is slim and compact with a grippy matte finish to it. The branding is on top of the lid. On the front, you have the status LED light. On the back, you have the pairing button, and on the bottom, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are a bit difficult to remove from the case, especially if you have larger hands. Ear indicators are etched in inside. Earbuds have a similar design from the non-pro version, but this has an in-ear design as opposed to the semi-in-ear. Matte finish all around with a short stem, and the ear markings are on the lower part. The outer face has a logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, touch control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are simple, a few taps or a long press for playback, calls, ANC, transparency, and game mode. The case comes in at 60 by 45 by 24 millimeters. It weighs in at 28 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Air3 Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was fair and other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They created a tight seal and felt secure. They're fairly comfortable, but you will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls help alleviate additional pressure. Build and quality is what you would expect at this price point. It does have a budget feel to it. Simple case and earbuds. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is good at 6 hours and 24 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The ANC feature was good and it blocked out the surroundings well, although the transparency feature I felt was not strong enough compared to others that I have tested. The microphone was low in picking up the surroundings. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and deep, a little overwhelming at times, and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments need more separation in my opinion. I feel these definitely lean more towards a warmer sound signature and you don't get that wide soundstage. Overall, it's definitely a step up from the Air 3 with its added features. This would appeal more towards those that want a warm sound signature, and the price point is definitely budget friendly. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Air 3 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.